Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix battery drain on iOS 17. Alright, so let's begin with the video. iOS 17.6 is finally out, and like every update, it has a battery drain problem. Let's see how we can solve it using some tips. First of all, if you have noticed that your iPhone uses more battery than it should, Apple advises you to wait a few days and do nothing, because the first few days after the update, the phone has a lot of background processes. However, if the situation does not improve after a few days, there are a few tips that would be good to do to reduce battery consumption. The first thing you can try is to update the iOS version. Check if version 17.6.1 may have arrived on the phone. This version will probably solve all of the iOS version problems. If it is there, install it. Also, a good idea is to turn off haptics. Open the settings on your phone. In Settings, find the Sounds and Haptics section and tap on it. In the next menu, select the Haptics option. Select the option Never Play or Play in Silent mode. In this way, you can reduce the consumption of your battery because vibrations have a lot of influence on the consumption. The next thing we will adjust is the screen distance. Return to the Settings home screen. Here, find the Screen Time section and tap on it. Here in the new menu, select the Screen Distance option. Confirm that this option is turned off. This option is useful because it protects us from holding the phone too close, but it also consumes the battery. Also, you should keep in mind to use cellular data as little as possible. Use Wi-Fi whenever you can. So that's basically how you can fix battery drain on iOS 17. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.